Today on Southern Gardening, we're visiting the beautiful display garden at the MSU South Mississippi Branch Experiment Station in Poplarville, Mississippi, where summer color is on full display. And one group of flowers that always shines this time of year is zinnias. Zinnias are one of the easiest and most rewarding flowers you can grow. They thrive in the heat, bloom nonstop through the summer, and attract butterflies and pollinators by the dozens. One standout here in the garden is the Crestar mixed zinnia. These blooms have a unique crested appearance that gives them extra texture and personality. The flowers come in bright shades of pink, orange, yellow, red, and salmon, creating a cheerful burst of color throughout the beds. Another eye-catching variety is the Profusion Red Yellow Bicolor zinnia. The petals are rich red with bright golden yellow tips, almost looking hand-painted. This variety is especially impressive because it blooms heavily all season long while standing up well to heat and humidity. The Profusion series has become a southern favorite thanks to its strong disease resistance and compact, tidy growth habit. To balance out all those warm colors, the garden also features Profusion Double White Improved zinnias. These double blooms add a clean, elegant touch to the planting beds and really help brighten up the landscape. White flowers are especially useful in the garden because they help neighboring colors stand out while creating a cooling effect during the heat of summer. If you're looking for dependable summer color, it's hard to beat zinnias. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.